Wendy here at ECS Coffee. Today we're in Burlington and the Rockets have arrived. We're pretty excited. The first one I'm going to unbox here is the Rocket Appartamento in the black and copper, which I have never seen in person, so we're pretty excited to show this to everyone. So I have a knife. They're pretty strapped. They're heavy machines, about 50 pounds. So I'm gonna go. Whoa. Look at that. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so in the top part of the box, it's almost like a welcome kit. Inside here is all the parts that you're going to need, your portafilters. It's pretty fancy. Now we're going to have a look inside here. All right, so you have your manual. You're going to have Espresso. It'll be like a buffing cloth. What else is in here? It looks like a USB, show you how to run it. So a stick here. Let's see what else is in here. Whoa. All right, so when we're setting this up, obviously we'll have to get out some of these parts because your drip tray is in here. Oh, it's quite a substantial weight just to that even. You'll see that when we put it together. So the different portafilters, obviously branding if you wanted to put this anywhere else. Rocket lovers like the stickers. This is a tamper that you get with the machine, and we also have different tampers here available for sale. Let's see what else is in here. Oh yes, there's also inside here, and I will be taking it out. So put in around the edge here, besides the cleaning brush, this is going to be the bracket. Oh, it's in metal. Before, the one we had before, the biggest complaint was that was plastic. So we will grab that, because we're going to have to put that around the machine also. These are all the things we're going to need to put it together in the showroom. I'm not sure, we'll probably leave one of the portafilters out so people can see the weight of this also. There's a little bit of Espresso cleaning tablets, your brush, and your, this is your blind basket. It's just slotted in here. Just want to feel the weight of this. So you're also going to have your double here. And then this is for the single shot. Nice and branded too, so that's amazing looking. So that'll be available to see if you come into the showroom. These are the parts we're going to need to set the machine up. And then this part is just going to be wrapped. So there's cardboard sitting around the top, just in like this. And then it's just wrapped around the edges, and the machine has a really nice rocket cover. It's kind of like a dust cover. I guess you could use that when you're at home too if you wanted to cover it up. Okay, and now we're going to try and lift it out the base. So what you have to do is reach down, pinch the plastic covers here. I worked on this one. I pinched and pulled it out. So this part just slides out, and that's just helping separate that from the top box. So then we can just slide it out. There we go. You're gonna have to spin it around and do the other side. So there's two parts there. You're just gonna pinch, pull that forward. There we go. Once you figure it out, it's just a matter of wiggling it around. There we go. Ta-da! All right, it's like Christmas now. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, nope, nothing yet. It's like the box in the box. Okay, we have another piece wrapped around the back. This thing is packed within an inch of its life, which is fantastic. All right. This little dust cover is going to have a push-pull thing on it. There we go. So I'm just going to push this little knob here and then open it up. Whoa. Look how beautiful that is. Oh. Look how I spin it around. Oh, that's beautiful. With this one, I think I would definitely want it to be somewhere where the sides were showing so people can get the full effect of this beauty. All right. Another piece in the front. So it has a nice solid feet on it. So I'm just going to, from sitting on the base here, see if it won't just lift right out. Then I'm gonna put it on the table. All right. Wow. So I noticed in the box this one foot has come off, but they do just screw on. So I'm gonna tilt it up and screw the base back on, the foot back on. And there we go. And so the cord is strapped in here to keep it nice and secure down at the bottom. So let's get that. So obviously I want to be very, very careful with what I'm cutting here. There you go. All right. So the tray, I took it out of the box. And with these, it just, when you lift it forward, this just sits in. Like that. Oh. I'm just gonna put the tamper here. And then this new metal part, they put it in black as well, which is very sexy. And it just pops on. I think a lot of people, originally when these machines came out, this part was in plastic and they wanted it upgraded. So I think they've done a fantastic job. So there's the unboxing of the new Rocket Black and Copper Appartamento. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video of the new Black and Copper Rocket Appartamento. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comments, questions below. Check us out on our website, and we'll be releasing more videos of this machine in the future.